What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making a strawberry filled salad perfect for summertime. Here are the ingredients you will need. They can also be found in the description box below. Slice half of a red onion. Slice your strawberries. Salt and pepper 2 chicken breasts. Today I'll be using my indoor Ninja grill to cook up my chicken breasts. If interested, I will have the Ninja grill in the description box below. I'm going to be using some lettuce from my Click and Grow kitchen counter garden. Eventually I want to turn it into an all herb garden. Right now I have tomatoes, basil, and lettuce. I will link a few of the Click and Grows in the description box below. Slice up your chicken and set aside. To make your Dijon mustard vinaigrette, add apple cider vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, and sugar. Whisk together until well combined, then add olive oil while whisking, and then add a pinch of pepper and whisk and set in the fridge. To my lettuce, I'm adding a bag of spring mixed greens, add desired amount of dressing. I add just enough to lightly coat the salad. Sprinkle with pecans and feta cheese. And add your chicken. And then this salad is light and oh so flavorful. Enjoy!